Okay, we're at Rainforest Park. I think cafe. No, it's Rainforest Cafe. Oh. All right. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at it. What? Oh, little monkey. Oh gosh, that butterfly moves. See the wings? This way. Oh, some giant fruits. That monkey up there. The snake's tongue moves. You see that? Can't get me, Satan. Dad. 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 And look at this hippo over here. Are you gonna move? Can you believe how big they are in real life? You see how big they are in real life? Look how big they are in real life, people. In real life. Look, that big. I still can't believe it. Oh, it just moved. It just moved. Oh, his ear's moving. Can you move your ears? Move your ears, move your toes. I guess it's not gonna move anymore. What if I touch it? I'm not even gonna do that. There it is. I don't even move when I leave, huh? He's a ha. Big animal. Eyes blinking. Look at those teeth. You see the teeth? You see the teeth? He's that big. Look how big he is. You see the spine? The spine? It says, please stay off the rocks. There's my mom. Peace, love, and froth. Can I get one? Can I get one?
It's on the clearance rack.
What did it say?
$12.99.
Safari to go.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
They got puppets. Are those puppets?
Yeah.
But this is so cute.
I'm sweet.
Hey, Dad, I want to see the tigers. Hi. Wow, look what they have. That looks good. With the sparkler. Oh my gosh, that scared me. That scared me. I didn't see that elephant over there. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, wow. This is ridiculous. The baby moves.
Not yet. I did, but not yet. You like this?
You like it, Ma? Oh, the baby elephant moves. But they got tigers over here. Please do not climb on the rocks. Climb. Huh?
Just look at this here, the little
Tail.
tail moving.
The eyes.
Tail moving like that.
There's a male one. I see. Oh. Is that the kitchen? This has to be the kitchen. The mother of all nature. Wow. This is creepy, y'all. Oh, we got an iguana. Hey, look over here. Let's go over here. There's another one.